Now this is question number 4 of exercise 11.3. Firstly, look its statement. What is given? A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs ₹4 per meter. So what is given? We have given the diameter of the circular garden, which is equal to 21 meter, and we have to find the length of the rope. Length of the rope means we have to find the properly the circumference of that circular garden, क्योंकि हमने उस पर फेंस लगानी है और उसके हमने कितने राउंड्स लेने हैं 2, तो हमें इसको डबल करना है फिर उसके बाद. And then we have to find the cost. So let's start the solution. Diameter of this garden is this, and radius is what? Radius is half of the diameter, means 21 by 2 meter. We'll just take it as 21 by 2. So firstly, circumference of the circle, which means what? The length of the rope needed. So we have to take rope for 2 rounds. Circumference of the circle is what? That is 2 pi r, and we can directly put कि pi d भी लगा सकते थे. तो and we want for 2 rounds, so multiply it by 2. So it becomes 2 multiply 22 by 7, and radius is what? That is 21 by 2. हम सीधा d भी अप्लाई कर सकते थे, does not matter. तो into 2 क्रॉस कर दो, जो कटिंग पॉसिबल है जितना भी 3. तो it becomes 22 into 3 2s are 6, and which is equal to 6 2s are 12, 132, and this is in meter. So this the circumference of that circle means 132 आ गया. For 2 rounds means what we have required, जो हमें पूछा गया क्वेश्चन कि length of the rope needed for 2 rounds, that is 132. So it is 132 meter, and after that we have to find the cost. So this is the first part, and the second part is what? Cost of rope. Cost of 1 meter rope, that is equal to ₹4, and cost of जो हमारी लेंथ है रोप की, that is 132 मीटर. तो उसकी कितनी चाहिए? ₹4 multiply 132. So when we multiply this, what will be the answers? That is 528 rupees. So hope you understand this question, and then move to the next one.